you for returning this one to me. I must thank you properly. You simply man to see. It would be a shame if your good deeds were in vain. So will you please give me your name?
I don't understand what you mean. Your shiny bra sounds like green. Its cry sounds more like a scream. There's something wrong with this place. Why would a gentleman not show his face? I'm very effective in surface days.
Child, all that I ask is who you are. That kind of show appreciation.
What's with the deafening? Now what are you masking with the bras? Oh, screeching like an aberration.
You see your kindness truly melts me. Ruling that I merely wish to kill you, but you just need to.
If you want to challenge me, don't settle, that's just fine. But I don't have the time for a practice that requires legal fines. I'm just not sure if I can give my contact information. Strangers don't know what'll become of me.